Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you Palm Swipe to capture a screenshot not working on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. So when I'm apply to take Palm Swipe to screenshot, but it's not working. So I'm provide fix. So I'm provide 100% solution. So at first open your settings, scroll down, click on sound and vibration, scroll down and click on this option, alert when phone pickup. Scroll down, then you get this option, Palm Swipe to capture. Make sure to turn on this. Okay, go back and go to control center, press on power button, and you need to first restart your phone. Okay, and I'm just apply to take Palm Swipe to screenshot. So now it's fixed.